Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm out here in the garden with some exciting news to share with you. The news is that you can now be a member of the Green Thumb Fan Club. This means that you can now be a sponsor so that I can create new content just for you. It works like this: by you becoming a sponsor, I can purchase more materials, more seedlings, more tools, more everything for the garden. And it gives you more amazing content. These will be extra videos, and you can be a member by just clicking the join button on the homepage. In addition to that, you will get a special badge next to your name, which will be seen by everyone every time you make a comment. That special badge indicates that you are a Green Thumb member. Now, if you decide not to become a member, that doesn't change anything. Everything will remain totally free. But if you'd like to see more exclusive content, please click the join button for a monthly fee of $4.99. Thank you. Now, let me go create some exclusive content just for you.